Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be bleaching my hair and getting it to like a platinum color. As you can see, my roots have grown out quite a lot. The first time I bleached it, I didn't dye it all the way up to my roots, but I mean, I still have a lot of regrowth and it's very uneven. I did not do it myself. I had somebody do it for me, but it was not at a salon, not a professional. As you can see, I'm very tired. I broke my pinky. Don't ask. Yeah, so today we're using the L'Oreal Quick Blue, and then I'm using a volume 30 developer, and there's my bowl and the brush I got. I just ordered this all off of Sally's, and then I mixed it until I got this consistency. I've never used Quick Blue before, but I think I pretty much liked it. So we're going to start by parting my hair down the middle, and I'm going to section it into 4 sections. I also just wanted to say, I don't know what I'm doing. So I think that I've watched enough Brad Mondo videos to kind of get the idea. So Brad, if you're watching, hopefully I'm doing this right. So yeah, 4 sections, and I'm not using 4 foils. I should have, but it's really hard to do foils on yourself, and I did not want to like even mess with that because I was so tired. But yeah, I'm just gonna start by applying it to the dark mids of my hair, and I'm not gonna overlap the bleach with my already bleached hair. I'm gonna try my best not to. And I'm also gonna say about like, I wouldn't say an inch off the root, but I'm not going directly on the root. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I have all of my mids covered in bleach. Okay, so now that I'm done doing the mids, I'm going to go back through and I'm going to start just doing the ends of my hair. So I am trying to get like as blonde as I can, but I'm not going to be too picky on if like there's a little bit of a mistake made or anything like that, just because after I get it this blonde, I'm going to go in with black on my roots and like silver on the mids and ends of my hair, kind of like an ombre, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to get it all to one tone. That way, whenever I do the rest of it, like, or the color that I want it to be, it will all just fade at the same time. And the reason why I'm dyeing it platinum just to make my ends black is because in order to get the silver that I want for my mids and ends of my hair, I have to have, I think, a level 10. I don't know if that's right, but I'm pretty sure that that's what Brad Mondo says all the time, so that's what we're trying to achieve here. my mids and ends of my hair. So we're just going to go in and do the roots as quickly as possible. That way it all processes at the same time, or at least as close as we can get it. Also, if you see that I just keep like, whenever I apply the bleach, I take my fingers and I like spread it around. I know that bleach doesn't lather. I'm only doing that to make sure that I'm not missing any like little hairs in that section that I did. I'm not trying to cover like other sections that I didn't put bleach on, because I know that bleach does not spread that way. Right now, I'm just applying bleach on areas that I see that I might have missed a little bit on. I know that there's a big part in the front of my head that I did not bleach yet, and the only reason why I'm not doing that first is because I know that if I don't do this first, I'm not gonna remember to go back and touch it up. So I just wanted to do it before I forget about it, because obviously I'm not gonna forget about the big part in the front of my head. As you can see, I missed the whole middle section on the back of my head on my roots. So, I mean, good thing I checked, but I'm just going back in and bleaching over those as best as I can. Okay, so I let the bleach sit in my hair for about 15 minutes and then I washed it out, and here is the reveal. It actually turned out a lot brighter and lighter than I thought it was going to, so I'm pretty happy with it. And then I have these parts in my hair where there's pink that won't come out no matter how many times I bleach and tone it, so just ignore those. But yeah, as you can see, I'm impressed. So for toner, I'm just using this Ion Color Brilliance and a 20 volume developer, and then I just dried my hair because they want you to apply it on dry hair, and look at how like shiny and silky it looks. But here's the consistency after mixing it that I got to, and then I'm just gonna put my hair in 4 sections again, just like I did with the bleach. So I'm just going to start applying this to the top of my head, and I'm going to be taking very small sections. That way I can make sure that I saturate every single strand on my hair because I want to get all of the brassy tones out of it as best as I can. And now that I have all the toner applied, I'm just gonna run my fingers through my hair and just make sure that I have it spread evenly throughout and it's just on every single strand. So I let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes, like it said on the box to do. And then I washed it out, and now I'm gonna see it for the first time. And honestly, I think it turned out so good. Like, it looks silver. What the heck? And honestly, I was too tired last night to dry my hair to look at it, so I just waited until the next morning, and I had to get ready for the day anyways. And look at it, it's like platinum. As you can see, I still have the little pink parts in it. It's just hair dye that won't come out at all. But my hair turned out so good. It's so shiny, so soft. There's not a lot of damage to it, to be honest, and I just love it. And this is definitely not the final product, but I am just gonna rock it for a while like this, to be honest with you. And here's me just feeling myself on Snapchat. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.